Koenigsegg Agera RS Phoenix and the matching Koenigsegg Regera. They're both exposed carbon fiber with gold accents. Sweet. We got Georgie on FaceTime. What's up, Georgie? Say hi to YouTube.
Oh, Wi-Fi.
Mi papá muñe.
This show gonna be sweet or what?
Hey, this guy parks
can't wait.
front and center, and he doesn't even have a Protective Film Solutions banner.
Wow.
I do too.
What's PFS?
Oh.
I've got a couple different sayings for it, but I'll keep those clean. We'll just say it's Protective Film Solution. Or it could be pretty and sweet.
We got the drone pilot right here.
Face of the drone.
He's got his goggles on where he can see what's in the drone, and he's recording it right here on the sick carbon fiber radio.
Right on, bro.
It's one way to make an entrance.
We just got it done at 2 a.m., man, so that's the first time driving it, bro. Visionary Foreign and Exotics, man. Thanks, you guys.
Jason, what are you doing?
I'm taking off the stickers.
This isn't a Cars and Coffee.
No,
What is it? What is it?
This is a very mellow show. Very mellow show with Fiats and Fiats only.
With the Regera, it has a ghost function, so we can hit the button and everything will open up. The rear deck, the front deck, the windows will go down, mirrors, everything. So we'll get it to go.
We got the other Daniel here.
What's up, guys? I'm the one that's not wearing PFS shirt because I don't work here.
Ah, where are your racing shoes?
In the hotel room?
Are those
No.
Oh, they
These
look
are
kinda
like
comfy.
China specials that a customer showed me. They're like 12 bucks and they're super comfortable and light and they last forever. So I can just use them and abuse them and then throw them away.
That's how
Yeah.
you do it right there.
Ready to go.
Drone just flew through the car.
There you go.
That drone just flew
know,
through
through the
the
doors.
Koenigsegg.
That's pretty cool.
Now, what does the bug shuffle entail?
The bug shuffle entails of moving 5 bugs simultaneously while Logan does his specific strategery.
Where's your PFS shirt? And where's your PFS shirt?
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm gonna change.
just like this. Ready? Daniel can do some magic. 3, 2, 1.
What's the one on the left hand?
Which one? You don't know. One's my R8 and one is my Bugatti.
You have a Bugatti?
Yeah, same.
I woke up in a new Bugatti.
What's up, man?
What's going on?
You comfortable in there?
Yeah, feels just like the R8.
Which one's your favorite?
Hellbug always has been. Probably my favorite car ever. showered, ready to go.
Hey, that car looks good. Who wrapped that? You got the Batman shoes on,
Batman
huh?
shoes.
Batman
to match the door jams.
Batmobile.
You know?
Look at those jams. Woo! See his
Still
shoes
keeping
one more
the
time.
theme going. Still
Heck
keeping
yeah.
the theme going.
Yeah, that's what it's about right there.
If that's the best, let's go. Okay, you're wondering, outfit change is dark in here. What are we doing? Daniel, put your shirt back on. So we're gonna go back inside to the main shop now. I haven't been in here all day. When we set up, I was moving the Koenigsegg around. But then once the show started, I've been watching the front. But now that it's 6:30, let's go inside and enjoy it. So. Wondering where we're at now, because first we were downstairs and Daniel had his shirt off, and then there was a couple of Koenigsegg's, but now we are up on the roof, which is something that we usually don't do because, well, there's no time to do that. Why are we up here? We want to get an overall bird's eye view of all the cars that came out, so we'll give you guys a little quick exclusive look. But before we go over there, this man right here is new, PFS NorCal.
How's it going?
He joined the team, and this guy runs our PFS NorCal location. Tell the people your name.
So my name is Daniel. Yes, he is right. I'm operations manager now in Northern California. So I'm Jason, just up there.
That's right. Actually, you need to go up there and visit him and see some of the cars and work. They just expanded again, so congrats on that. And they're in there with Isami, which brings out some crazy cars. But again, more on that. We'll do a video. We'll fly both Daniel. We'll fly this Daniel out. We'll get the Daniels together. But anyways, back on the roof. We're gonna show you guys the cars. There's going to be an R8 event coming up, which is going to be announced in the next couple days. By the time the video drops, actually, the event will be announced. And last time we had 51 cars. I'm shooting for about 70 on this one, and it might be my last R8 event, but more on that later on. For now, enjoy all the B-roll, because this guy's been killing it all day with some epic content. So take a look at it right now. Missed my footing.
Oh, that'd be the worst.
Word on the street, I'm a suspect. Hanging with the killers in the projects.
Parkour. P stands for parkour. PFS.
Several days later.
What's up, guys? It's a couple days after our big car show, Supercars at Sunset. So we've got one of our clients, Bugatti Chiron, behind us. We've got JP Logistics here picking it up, as well as his Koenigsegg Regera, which should be coming around shortly. They're off back to his house. We did work on the Regera. This car was strictly just here for the show. So we really hope you guys enjoyed the show. We really hope that we can be doing more of them soon. The second one's already in the works. Without further ado, we'll let Daniel show you guys around the Chiron as the Regera comes around shortly.
Thank you so much for watching today's video of our PFS show. Big thanks to Logan. This guy actually absolutely killed it with putting it together. He's the man behind it all. He's working after hours to make sure everything's all organized. cars were all in place, so appreciate that. We will have more shows this year, probably one more around Monterey Car Week time, and then a huge show, which will be around Christmas. We'll do a charity drive, and so we'll definitely announce that. But this, without a doubt, has been an absolute blast to work on, and it's been the star of not only the show, but our shop for a few weeks now. And we're excited that the owner is finally taking delivery, so we can start driving the car and using it for its full potential.
Besides a very awesome spec Regera, there's not much more beyond that. I want to thank you guys for watching our channel. Hopefully you guys are enjoying our new style of videos. Hopefully they're a little more funny now. We appreciate it, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.
See ya.